Welcome back. I'm sure you're looking forward to seeing the finale of the work on the Mustang's roof. Not the work on the Mustang, it's just the roof. After all, it is clear coat weekend. That's when I finally get everything done there. After that will be a final cut and polish with some very fine red sandpaper. But in the meantime, Buddy at work needs me to paint this. This is off of a Prius, probably. And he needs it painted gloss black so his car looks less like a bowling shoe. So, gonna get to that. We'll start out with some 400 grit sandpaper. Then, because I learned my lesson from the Sunfire, adhesion promoter. Then the lessons never stop because flex primer. And because it's a small part, I can use the same gloss black that I'm using on the Mustang. So while that cures, gets ready for clear coat, let's go ahead and alcohol this guy, tack rag it, and use the last of that can. Yeah. Ooh, that feels smooth. I like it. This is actually my first time touching it since I laid down this coat. Okay, there's a little bit of dirt going on. Not the worst thing in the world. And this worked plenty well, actually picked up a little bit, but this is a paper towel, and ergo is going to leave little bits behind, so back to the tack cloth. These are great. Why didn't I use these earlier? Oh. Oh, the tricky spot. I think I can dig it. That's it. That's 2 cans for 1 roof and a trim piece. Before I go too far with prepping for clear, I should clean the gun. It's I kind of shot myself in the foot with this one because with my last attempt, I was not able to figure out how to affect the fan control, which I think there was only, no, yeah, there's, should be, yeah. Was not able to figure out the fan control, so I switched to the 1.4 nozzle, which was on the bigger spray gun. And as a result, I have that orange peel texture consistently on Eddie. And this did not get a proper cleaning because I had to use that clear. So, and I was in a time crunch last time, but luckily everything, like the trigger still works. That's nice. So, crash course in cleaning a spray gun. Go. That took longer than I expected, but had to be done because that thing looked... Have you ever seen a restaurant's grease trap that was last serviced in 1985? Yeah, it's something like that, yeah. But do have it working, kind of. For whatever reason, I can't get it to stop spraying, but I did fix the fan pattern adjustment. So my on-off for air is going to be uncoupling it. I can work with that. So as far as what's left, here's our clear coat and hardener and a thing and a lid and filters. 4-to-1 ratio. Very nice of these little buckets to have the markings for me. And I'm not going to mix a bunch because I'm doing a small area.
Nobody cared who I was before I put on the mask. I shouldn't do that so close to my head. All right. Right, light coats this time. That's the key. I didn't do that last time. I don't know if you can hear. I don't know if you can hear me or not. It's loud.
I apologize for the lousy audio right now. You're hearing the traffic because I haven't hooked up a good mic because My other camera's battery's dead. So, and that's the one with audio. So that's going to do it for today. We're moving along. We got our first level clear. Gonna let things start to cure. Then a little bit of sanding. Just take out some fish eyes. Same with that trim piece for the Toyota. And catch you tomorrow. That urethane certainly has an aroma to it. Getting a little bit of fisheye on our roof and on the Toyota part. So quick, real quick, because I don't need to do much. Wet sand with 1000 grit, and then we'll get another clear coat on here, and then I'm pretty much done. That's a great feeling to have. We'll need time to cure before I do the final cut and polish, and I'll just park it outside for that. No, don't park it outside. I'll get shit on. The birds in my neighborhood crap on everything, including me. And I think that's going to do it for this project, actually. I might do a little follow-up with the cut and polish. It's not as glassy smooth as I would have preferred. However, that Toyota part is looking pretty good. I still need to get some polish done. That's neither here nor there. Small job, a little bit of sanding, then some compound, polish, buff, lotion on its skin. And he's going to be happy. I'm going to be pleased because I no longer have rust on my roof. And that's going to do it for this project. Like, subscribe, whatever, bell, notify. God, that's all anyone does on YouTube is tell you to hit, hit subscribe, smash that bell, smash that like button. Just watch shit. Come on, just keep watching our stuff. My stuff. I'm the only one here.